Let's study the mirror equation for spherical mirror, and this equation is very helpful in solving numericals based on spherical mirror. So the equation which gives the relationship between the focal length f of a mirror to the object distance u and the image distance v is called as the mirror equation. So the equation 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u is called as mirror equation for spherical mirror, where f is the focal length of a spherical mirror, v is the image distance and u is the object distance. Remember, the proof for this equation is not required at all. We have to use this equation directly while solving the numerical. So the equation 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u is called as mirror equation. And whenever we are using this equation in numericals, for each term we have to use sign convention. So let us study each and every term. So in this equation 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, where u is called as, come on tell me, object distance. And I have already explained you in sign convention that object distance is always negative. That means irrespective of the value given or not in the question, object distance will always be taken as negative. That means if a question is given like this, that an object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeters from the mirror, so u is considered as 20. Since u is an object distance, you have to take it negative whether it is specified or not, right? So an object is kept in front of a mirror at a distance of 20 centimeters, then also u is negative. So here always negative sign indicates that it is kept in front of mirror. It is very important. So negative sign has got some significance over here, that whenever I say u, it is called as object distance, always taken as negative. And what is the significance of negative sign over here? That it is always kept in front of mirror. If I talk about v is called as image distance. V is called as image distance, and the value of v can be taken as positive or it can be taken as negative. So if v is positive, then image is formed, come on tell me, behind the mirror, then it is virtual and erect. And if v is negative, then it is formed in front of the mirror, that means it is real and inverted. So in this value, if v is positive, what does positive sign indicate? The positive sign over here indicates that image is formed, come on tell me, image is formed behind the mirror. So there is significance of positive sign over here. That means if the value of v turns out to be positive, you just have to say image is formed behind the mirror, then definitely it is virtual and erect. And if the value of v turns out to be negative, then definitely image is formed, come on tell me, image is formed in front of mirror, then you can say image is real and inverted. So we studied the sign convention for u as well as f. Let's talk about f. What does f indicate over here? F is the focal length for a spherical mirror, which is numerically equal to r by 2. Sometimes instead of focal length, radius of curvature for a spherical mirror is given. So you can simply calculate focal length from the radius of curvature by using the equation f equal to r by 2. And again I will say, for convex mirror, focal length is positive. This is a sign convention. And for concave mirror, focal length is taken as negative. That means if concave mirror is given, then directly you have to take focal length to be negative. And if convex mirror is given, you have to take focal length as positive. So remember, all these sign conventions are very important while solving numericals based on spherical mirror.